Ready to dive into a data processing showdown? DuckDB vs Spark. We're breaking down these two powerhouses to see which one reigns supreme for your specific data needs in just 90 seconds. First, DuckDB. Think of it as a highly efficient sports car. It's designed for speed and agility. It's an in-process database, meaning it runs directly within your application. This eliminates the overhead of communicating with a separate server. DuckDB excels at analytical queries on single machines, perfect for quick data exploration and embedded analytics. Now, let's shift gears to Apache Spark. Imagine a fleet of trucks working together. It's built for distributed processing. Spark leverages a cluster of machines to handle massive datasets that won't fit on a single computer. This parallel processing power makes Spark ideal for large-scale data warehousing, ETL pipelines, and machine learning tasks. Performance-wise, DuckDB shines with smaller datasets, and when speed of execution and fast iteration counts and you only have single machine, it can be blazingly fast with single query. Spark takes the lead when dealing with truly massive datasets, thanks to its distributed processing capabilities. Deployment is another key difference. DuckDB is incredibly easy to set up. Just a simple install. Spark requires more infrastructure and configuration as you're managing a cluster. In short, choose DuckDB for fast, local analytics. Choose Spark for large-scale, distributed processing. What are your experiences with DuckDB or Spark? Let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more data engineering insights.